number 7. Just use that area spiker. Play quickly restart. Moving up by the roll. Quick play. In the middle portion. Conquistador's Dream. Angie Red comes next. Amazing Ferency. Speed Admiral Y Wipe. Your mouth is the early trailer when going along for the first turn. Conquistador's Dream at the center. Down on the inside comes Quick Play. Moving upon the outside is Spiker. Angie Red comes next. Speed Admiral. Amazing Ferency. Well, Wipe Your Mouth is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have entry number 2. Conquistador's Dream by over the nose. Moving upon the outside now is Spiker. Angie Red is down in third, then followed over by Quick Play. Moving upon the outside, Speed Admiral. Amazing Ferency is still second last, while Wipe Your Mouth is still racing in seventh. Another part turn to entries. Keep on parallel for the lead. Spiker is on the outside. Conquistador's Dream is down on the inside. Angie Red is down in third, then followed over by entry number 1, and this one is Quick Play as they swing for home. Spiker is on the outside. Conquistador's Dream is down on the inside, and on the outside comes Angie Red with about 100 meters of the race. Spiker, Conquistador's Dream now doing the better, and finally Conquistador's Dream is Spiker. Angie Red, Wipe Your Mouth, Speed Admiral, Amazing Ferency, and Quick Play.